ready to transform your client interactions and land your dream projects. Let's dive into crafting and sending winning proposals using Honeybook. First, from your Honeybook dashboard, navigate to the Projects tab. If you're starting fresh, click the New Project button in the top right corner to set up your workspace. If you have an existing project, simply select the one you want to work on. Within your chosen project, locate the Create New button, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Proposal. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can choose from Honeybook's library of professionally designed templates, categorized by industry to give you a head start, or, if you're feeling creative, select a blank canvas to build your proposal from scratch. Now comes the fun part: customization. The Honeybook editor allows you to personalize every aspect of your proposal, add your services, clearly outline your pricing, and define your terms and conditions. Don't forget to add a personal touch and speak to your client's specific needs. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit that send button. But before you do, explore the scheduling and tracking options. You can schedule the proposal to be sent at a specific time and track when your client views it. Honeybook keeps you in the loop. You'll receive notifications when your client views, comments on, or even accepts your proposal. This allows you to respond quickly and keep the momentum going. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of sending proposals in Honeybook. By using these steps, you'll create proposals efficiently and start winning more clients. Go ahead and watch other videos to enhance your business.